she thinking? Why not be the best I can be? Look at my lips. Look at my hips. My nose. My breast. Look at my chin. Look at her chin. Look at my eyes. What am I thinking? Beauty is a form of genius. It's higher indeed than genius, as it needs no explanation. It is of the great fact of the world, like sunlight or springtime, or the reflection in dark waters of that silver shell we call the moon. It cannot be questioned. It has its divine right of sovereignty. It makes princes of those who have it. You smile? When you have lost it, you won't smile. To me, beauty is a wonder of wonders. It is only shallow people who do not judge by appearances. The true mystery of the world is the visible, not the invisible. What am I thinking?
She has my breast, I want her breast. I love her eyes, she has my eyes. I need her hips, I want those lips. Her ear, her chin. She wants my nose, I have her nose.